Look at all the review videos he has here, right? And I thought that this was really, really key. I especially like the one, this guy right here, Elijah Reviews. Those of you who have kid focused books, you need to go track down this Elijah Reviews guy right away. I don't know, find a way to contact him. He might be on Fiverr. I'm going to show you some stuff in a sec. But like, use a kid to promote your book if it's a book for kids. That's just smart marketing. So, but look at all of these great videos he has. And he has a, that's one of his ad videos. I thought it was so creative. So he's actually.
Here I am in our home away from home, the car, for parents who have kids that have a lot of activities.
So he's actually just talking as an ad video for his book on Amazon. Genius idea. So much better than here, like, look at this one. Music, the text over. Like, look how boring that is. It's too small for me to even read. It's just a bunch of text. Like, it's just not compelling. It just, like, compared to this, I'm like, oh, what's this guy gonna say? Just my opinion, but I think that one's a lot better. It's probably selling a lot more than this. Now, where do you get these videos made? So this is another really cool thing, is you go to this website called Fiverr, link in the description, and you get what are called UGC videos made. You just search UGC Amazon. And there are creators here who you will send your book to. They will make a video of your book, and the people who are Amazon influencers will upload their video to their Amazon storefront. Amazon will link it to your book's page, and it'll show up as a video there. Some of them will leave a review, whether or not, you can't really ask them to leave a review because technically then you're buying a review, so you can't do that. But I look for the ones who have an Amazon Associates account, so they're influencers for Amazon, and then they post the book on their thing, and then it gets linked to my book's page. These are extremely underrated, and they're not talked about a lot. But this is so powerful when you get a great, great person doing a review. Now, what's a great person doing a review compared to a bad person doing a review? I don't know. Like, you just got to see, like, if they're really good on camera, like, just think, like, would this person show up in a TV commercial to do a review? Like, some of them are just like you shouldn't be on a camera because you just don't know how to look good on a camera. Like, it needs to look good. Like, once again, if you just do it all correct, pretend you're like a high level, high whatever, publishing company, right? You don't want to cheap out on certain things. These videos, I spend hundreds of dollars each video to get these done right because I want the highest possible quality videos on my book's page.